All right. We're being asked to find the surface area of the trapezoidal prism below. And then it says do not include units in your answer. So the first thing that we have to recognize is that we've got a trapezoid in the front. Okay. And we've got a trapezoid in the back. So let's get the area of those trapezoids. They are identical. So it is, by the way, this is 3.7 and this is 4.3, but we only need to do one of these, right? So we'll use the one in the front. So the area of the trapezoid is base 1 plus base 2 divided by 2 times the height, which is 2.1. Okay. That's the trapezoid. Now, I'm doing this on the calculator, which I'm not showing you. But I am getting 4.3 plus 3.7 times 2.1 divided by 2. So I'm getting 8.4. Now, there's 2 of them, right? So maybe we'll just make a note. This is for the front and back, just so we remember. Okay, so we need 2, we're gonna need 2 of those. All right, then what we have are these squares on the sides. I'm sorry, it's a rectangle. You have this rectangle, which is identical to one that you really can't perceive. It's on that side. Okay, so we're supposed to be able to imagine that. And so the area of the purple rectangle let's just call it let's call it the side rectangle. And again, there's going to be 2 of them. And this one is pretty easy to compute because it's just 6.2, which is a base, times 2.5, or length times width. Okay, so that's going to be 6.2 times 2.5, 15.5. And let's make a note that that's left side, which you really can't see, and the right side of troublemaking G's. Okay. So that's the purple part. Then you have the bottom. So I'm gonna see if I can erase just the inside. Hold on, let's try that again. I just want to erase the inside because I feel like it might be too much to be taking in, and it actually won't erase everything I need erase, but I think I'm hoping that that'll facilitate our work, because what I'm interested in now is the bottom rectangle. So the bottom rectangle, why don't I color it? Let's go with that blue. So that's gonna be this rectangle. Okay. That goes, that's a rectangle right there. And the dimensions of that rectangle so area of bottom is 4.3 times 6.2. 4.3 times 6.2. 4.3 by 6.2. Need a calculator for that. 4.3 times 6.2, 26.66. Now we're only going to need one of those because that only exists on the bottom. Okay, and then the very last thing is the top, and the area of the top, and I think you might agree, it's because you can't turn the shape, it's a little hard to see, but this is gonna be 6.2, because if this is 6.2, then this is gonna be 6.2, because that side was a rectangle. And so what we're looking at finally, and let's try to use that paint brush there, is the top rectangle. And that's 3.7 times 6.2. So is 3.7 times 6.2. That's the area of the top. And my calculator is giving me 3.7 times 6.2. I'm getting 22.94. And so the grand total is going to come from this computation, which is the front and back, the left and right side, the bottom, and the top. There's 6 sides, and so my grand total when it's all said and done, is 97.4. It's 97.4. That's the grand total. And that's our answer.